In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete headers and footers from a PowerPoint slide. If you've ever found yourself puzzled about how to clean up your presentation slides by removing these elements, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this together, step by step, so you can easily manage this task on your own. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to make these changes. Footers are commonly found on slides, typically displaying the slide number, date, or any custom text you've entered. Although headers aren't typically used on the slides themselves, you'll find that handling footers and other such elements happens in the same section. Now, to get started, head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint interface. Once you're there, look for the text group. In this section, you should find an option labeled Header and Footer. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a pop-up window. Here, ensure that you're on the Slide tab. This is crucial since it allows you to control what appears directly on your slides. In this pop-up window, you'll see checkboxes for several elements, including date and time, slide number, and footer. To remove any of these from your slides, you simply need to uncheck them. Deciding what to keep and what to remove often depends on the clarity and focus of your presentation. Once you've unchecked the elements you wish to remove, you have a couple of options. If you want these elements removed from all your slides at once, click Apply to All. However, if you're only looking to clean up a single slide, then click Apply after making your selections. This flexibility helps in customizing your presentation based on your audience's needs or the context of your presentation. Now, let's shift our focus to removing headers and footers from notes and handouts, where they are more frequently used and visible, especially when you print these documents. While still in the Insert tab on the ribbon, click Header and Footer again. This time, when the window pops up, navigate to the Notes and Handouts tab. Just like before, you'll see options for date and time, page number, header, and footer. Uncheck any elements you want to remove. And when you're ready, click on Apply to All to ensure these changes take effect across the board. That's it. You've successfully removed headers and footers from your PowerPoint slides, as well as from any notes and handouts you plan on distributing. By doing this, your presentation will look cleaner and more professional, allowing your audience to focus on the content that truly matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more helpful tips and tricks.